This is Nan on the Path, and today I chose a different path. So I chose a different direction, and I came across this little brook going into the woods. Oh, and there's Sammy finding something to sniff. What do you think there, girlfriend? oh, there. So, I love finding places of water. I love the sound of the water moving. And oh, there goes the four-wheeler. Oh, and there's Sammy trying to knock the phone out of my hand. Oh, geez, I think I gotta stand up. Wow. Oh, and you get to see blue skies. So. Beautiful. He said, pay attention to where I go and where I end up. Look down the path there. How it goes through the woods. Comfortably and easily. And there goes another four-wheeler. There's other people on the path too. We share the path. So, as I allow myself to feel, the vibe from this water. I think all water has a vibe. If you follow Steve Ripley, that's kind of, what he's sharing with us. If I was to feel, like if the water was to talk to me, what would the water say? What would the water say? So I'm just gonna allow my intuition to say some things. If the water, like allowing the water to talk to me, all right? Just allow myself to connect. Ah, Carol, the wee traveler. I welcome you to my space and my spot. I get better footing, or I'm going to land in it. The path, the water flow, it travels forward. The natural direction. Very similar to your life. Going forward one step at a time, one ripple at a time, one rapid at a time, one drop at a time. Never knowing where you're going to end up. Sometimes it's going to be rough and hard to get through, and sometimes it'll be very smooth. And yet, when you add all of the experiences together, Carol, my dear one, it's quite an experience. So enjoy your path. Enjoy my stream. Ever moving, ever changing. Taking time to laugh on the way. Taking time to skip over the rocks. Taking time to go under things and over things. Enjoy this life journey, Carol. Enjoy. Nan on the path. Allowing herself to connect to the sounds and voices of nature. Have a great day.